New tonight, an Arizona abortion law is back in court. Doctors are challenging a state law that bans abortions due to fetal abnormalities.
Team 12's Bram Resnick was in the courtroom today. He says the judges questioned whether doctors could be prosecuted for even discussing the subject with the patient. Bram?
Yeah, that's right, Mark. The federal appeals court hearing today's arguments had some tough questions about whether doctors could be prosecuted. The law allows any private citizen to bring a case. Now, the backdrop for the legal challenge is Arizona's emerging status in the West as an
This law is unbelievably vague. It makes it unbelievably unclear what exactly is prohibited.
Attorney Jessica Sklarski says the doctors she's defending fear prosecution under a 2-year-old state law banning abortions due to genetic defects.
The Arizona Medical Board has also made clear its intent that it could take away doctors' professional medical licenses. That's their entire livelihood.
The lawyer defending the state law dismissed claims that doctors could land in court.
If they know that they're performing the abortion because the child has a disability, then they would be subject to the law.
Attorney Denise Harrell of the self-described Christian law firm Alliance Defending Freedom represents Arizona's Republican legislative leaders. Democratic Attorney General Chris Mays, a supporter of abortion rights, declined to defend the law.
They don't have a harm from not being able to abort children for the sole reason that that child has Down syndrome.
New data shows Arizona is fast becoming an abortion desert in the West since the U.S. Supreme Court decision overturning Roe v. Wade. Our border states have seen a surge in reproductive services over the last 3 years. According to the Guttmacher Institute, abortions have soared 220% in New Mexico, 89% in Colorado, and 49% in Nevada. Here in Arizona, the number of abortions performed is down 16%.
This law has had an extremely, to use the legal word, chilling effect on my practice.
Dr. Paul Isaacson has provided reproductive care in the Valley for 30 years. He gets referrals of patients with fetal abnormalities.
To provide the best care, it's important that I do have this knowledge.
Now, there's no deadline for the appeals court's ruling. Looming over the hearing was the potential impact of an Arizona Supreme Court decision sometime next year that could ban abortion outright. Live in the newsroom, Bram Resnick, 12 News.